现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Everyone thinks they know miso. It's that yellow beige paste from Japan usually found in soup. But the special blend of Hakka and Mingnan people around Kaohsiung and Pingdong has come up with more than that. Local foods were influenced by the Japanese colonial period, and the people there came up with their own types of miso, red bean and black soy. The red bean miso is so different from regular miso that it can even be spread on toast like jam, while also being suitable for more savory dishes. But whether you prefer black soy or red bean, both make great souvenirs.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。Leo 啊，这个我其实很喜欢喝味噌汤啊。
味噌汤。
可是想到味噌呢，就会想到日本料理。没想到我听说台湾自己有研发出创新的味噌，对不对？
对。
是什么啊？
这个屏东万丹啊，这个红豆很有名，对不对？
对，干嘛？红豆也可以做味噌？
当然啦，只要豆类都可以啊。所以他们就把红豆呢，就开发变成了红豆味噌。哇！但这个红豆味噌啊，它不一定是煮味噌汤的哦。
OK，
它可以当酱料，它也可以涂在吐司上面，或是来腌制这个鱼肉这些东西。
哦，对，那你刚刚说除了红豆味噌，还有另外一款咯？
没错，就是在万丹的隔壁呢，就是竹田啊跟潮州，这两个地方啊，就盛产黑豆啊。对，黑豆也可以把它做成是黑豆味噌啊。黑豆、红豆味噌，突然间多了2个选择，好开心啊， 很开心哈。
不过讲到黑豆不是很有名，是做别的东西吗？
对
就是我们不能缺少的酱
油，对 ，tell
you，tell you， that's right，made for soy sauce。屏东地区、南部地区这边的酱油都非常有名，因为它的品质很好。
没错，所以很多人呐，就出国的时候就会带出去送给海外的亲朋好友。
没错，那下次呢，我们来到了这个高屏6队地区的时候啊，也可以带点伴手礼回去啊。然后相信这里呢将会是一个客庄旅游的新卖点了，对不对？
对。
好，那我们现在就来教几个单字好了。好，包括我们这个味噌喽 ，miso 怎么说？再说一次。
蜜浆
Okay, that is the miso. And then also what's famous is soy sauce, right? 酱油又称豆油嘛，
tell you.
Okay, 那红豆顺便教一下怎么说呢？
好，鳳條味
Okay, that's the red bean, which is a new type of miso you can find in Taiwan. And there you have it. That does for this talk about Hakka on ICRT.
什麼睇㗎？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.